Alright, meteorologist Dean Davis, the Weather Pros, liveweatherblogs.com. Now it's time for your update, severe weather update. We're actually going to talk about tropics here. It's going to be kind of interesting. Slight risk here in West Texas coming up for the day on Tuesday. Marginal risk goes through Denver and into Nebraska as we move on to the day on Wednesday. Then you can see central Kansas, up to central Nebraska, down through western Oklahoma in the slight risk zone. And there'll probably be some tornadoes in that area, and definitely by the weekend we're looking at this whole area in the Midwest, Tornado Alley, to be lighting up with a good probability of a severe weather outbreak by the weekend, as the pattern will get more favorable for that. Yeah, the computer model will be able to see this. This is for the time May 4th, which is today. This will be good for tomorrow morning. As you can see, we have a disturbance here in the Bahamas, which we're going to be watching. We have the high pressure here off the coastline, southwesterly flow, showers not as possible. There's your low, and you're feeding severe weather chance here as it backs in. And we're going to forward this up a little bit. I'm going to move this forward just a little bit, and we're going to see how it happens. You see the high pressure stays in control. We have a ridge riding system here, the low pressure system here. It's basically a ridge rider, showers thunderstorms possible along the Appalachians with some of that orographic lift. And this disturbance is starting to get itself together by Wednesday, as it's following the low here in the Midwest, creating thunderstorms, and the high here between it is where this wants to go. So we can continue to move on, and you can see it's starting to get stronger, and we actually see 10-15 low will develop. Showers and thunderstorms again possible on Thursday afternoon. You can see that in the Roanoke area. High pressure then takes over again, and we get another low in the Midwest as the system now moves closer to the coastline. Low in the Midwest again, setting up for severe weather. The low pressure system is getting north of South Carolina and strengthening to a subtropical or tropical entity. Could be a subtropical storm or a tropical storm. As we move further, the high pressure is giving away a little bit, and we have this low going actually towards South Carolina as it strengthens, and it looks by the day on Sunday to want to make a landfall here along the Florida-Georgia coast. But I would watch anywhere from North Carolina to Florida for the potential of this landfall. Here's what I was talking about severe weather by the end of the week. A low here, backing winds, tornado probability is going to increase there as the low makes landfall, and will eventually dissipate and be sucked up by the actual cold front. And as this moves to the east, as the low strengthens, and severe weather potential by next week will strengthen for the east coast. And as this moves along, you can see what's going on here. Low pressure moving to the east. So, stormy at the end of the weekend, and there's the low again, making itself known off the Virginia coast and back out to sea. Stronger winds here between the high and the low. This is a little further range than it is now. So some things here are going to change, but what I would be very close on seeing is anywhere from North Carolina and Virginia border down to Florida needs to watch out for potential of a tropical or subtropical entity. Showers and thunderstorms for Philadelphia south to the Roanoke Valley possible for the next few afternoons. Meteorologist Dean Davis, no weather pros. We'll keep you updated.